Looking to go viral on TikTok? Here's a step-by-step guide on creating engaging content to maximize your chances of gaining more visibility and engagement on this popular platform. 1. Choose a niche that you're passionate about, as it'll be easier to create content around it. 2. Research trending hashtags and challenges to incorporate into your videos for wider reach. 3. Keep your videos short and snappy. Aim for around 15 seconds to capture and hold your audience's attention. 4. Create a catchy opening to immediately grab viewers' interest. 5. Use high-quality, well-lit footage to ensure your videos look professional. 6. Make your videos relatable and shareable by incorporating humor or emotional elements. 7. Leverage TikTok's built-in editing tools, effects, and filters to make your content stand out. 8. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and creating a sense of community. 9. Collaborate with other TikTokers to cross-promote each other's content and widen your audience. 10. Experiment with different types of content, such as tutorials, challenges, storytelling, or behind-the-scenes clips. 11. Post consistently to establish a presence and keep your audience engaged. 12. Optimize your video descriptions and captions with relevant keywords to improve discoverability. 13. Share your TikTok videos on other social media platforms to drive traffic and gain followers. 14. Utilize current events or popular trends to create timely content that resonates with a wider audience. 15. Engage with trending sounds or songs to increase your chances of appearing on the For You page. 16. Monitor TikTok analytics to understand what type of content resonates with your audience the most. 17. Collaborate with influencers or participate in TikTok challenges to expand your reach. 18. Be authentic and genuine in your videos to build a loyal following. 19. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your content to boost engagement. 20. Stay persistent and patient. Viral.